Today's the day we're gonna put some hood latches on the Talon. Heard horror stories of carbon hoods smacking windshields, so extra precaution. But get these on. Haven't done anything else to the car besides today, but yeah. Okay, so we got the pins in. Put some toothpaste on the top of the pins and figured out where it would meet up with the hood. So we got our 2 spots. Now we're gonna take the hood off and then cut some holes and go from there. Like I got the hood in the shed. Gonna start cutting it. Gonna cut these right here and right here. And I cut a little circle or square, and then go back to the car and pins on the upper layer. Do the same thing with the toothpaste. But yeah, like, gonna be fun. Like holes are cut, not very big, not too worried about it right now, but probably gonna have to cut probably some more so that we can fit the bottom piece of the latch on the hood. But after that, should be good. Alright, little update. Cut the holes, well, drilled the holes in the hood, and then made a cardboard template. Made sure that these pieces fit inside the cardboard template, so we cut out a hole. And then now gonna get it set up that we can trace these holes and then cut out what we need. Alright, we got them on there, looking good. Doesn't look very symmetrical with the tape, but they are. We measured them out. You can kind of tell. Yeah. So now we just need to drill the holes for this, and then mount them up, and she'll be good. Yeah, like time to wash her down. Like we'll sand her and go from there. Today's the day that we wet sand this, cut the holes last night. But yeah, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. It's kind of looking like shit. Alright, first round of sanding's done with the 800 grit. And then we're gonna go to 1200 and then just work our way up from there. And we might have to clear coat it, but I doubt it. We'll see. What's up? Another day. I don't remember where I last left off, but I haven't videoed a whole much with the hood because it's just been a lot of sanding and whatnot. But now we're on the 2500 grit and slowly starting to get there. Almost ready to clear. Hopefully can clear it today, and then after that put it back on the car, put the hood pins in. Should be good to go. But after this, so 3000 is next. After, do one more pass with the 2500, and then she'll be good. I'll keep you guys updated. Now we're on the 3000. Do one more pass. Hey. Do one more pass with the 3000, and then from there do the 5000, and then should be good. So got the 5000 done, and now we're gonna put some clear on it, wipe it down with some alcohol and a tack cloth first, and then after that we'll spray some clear. What's up? Nothing? Now it's time for the tack cloth. Get up all the little stuff that needs to be picked up, I guess.
Free time.
Right, time to spray. Like, I know this isn't the best, but
Right behind the tree.
like we do with what we got.
There's a shed right over there. We could do it in.
No, because Caden's already doing his hood.
That's good.
Yeah. Alright, we're on day 2 of clearing the hood. I just washed it off. I'm gonna wet sand it again and then put a coat of clear on it. So, yeah. Alright, we got the hood on. It's good now. Got the latches on. Didn't turn out exactly how I wanted it to, but still need to do a little bit of wet sanding on the new clear coat, and then we'll do some polishing and compound stuff, and hopefully it'll turn out as good as I hope. But we'll end this video right here. If you guys stayed till the end, leave me a comment, tell me what you think, tell me what maybe I can improve on, blah blah blah, whatever. But catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.